Good day, friends. Today I am having my maiden flight of the Flywoo Flytimes 85 2S, well, micro drone, I'm not sure. We're gonna fly a little line of sight and we'll go from there. Oh, we were in turtle mode. Now we're not in turtle mode. Woo! All right, guys, that was maiden flight. I am a ball of nerves. I haven't flown non-DJI FPV in a number of years. Didn't get out of angle mode, but maybe soon we'll get into this macro. All right, guys, catch you in the next one.